So the next company is MYUNGSE CMK, and since its the start of the company in 1994, MYUNGSE CMK is exclusively been focusing on the hospital milk cart. And this is the improvement of the hospital service, as well as raise the patient's satisfaction by maintaining a hot and cool condition of the food distribution. And also the meal provided to patients in the hospital now play a very important role as one of the service factor. So MYUNGSE CMK has been developing these patients hot and cold milk cart, which is called the Happy Cart, has been 20 years of the improving quality. And let's learn some more about the product from our
Thank you very much for your introduction.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
for
Very,
having
very
me.
in detail. Okay, I'm Aaron Park, Managing Director of MYUNGSE CMK. As you said, MYUNGSE CMK has been dedicated to only the patient meal cart for a long time. All right. Today, I will show you the conventional type of meal cart, as well as our new product, the youngest one. I will show you later.
It is really beautiful, by the way. So how it works?
All right. Before starting the operating, I mean, this Happy Cart is very famous brand in hospital meal industry.
Okay.
All right. So this one, it looks simple. However, so as you said, it contains cool, and you can touch inside and can feel.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is cool, and it's hot.
Oh yes.
All right.
Even though it's in the same, space,
Yeah.
we can actually contribute.
So it's owing to many patents, including here. It looks simple, but inside we've got more than 10 patents. Okay, for example, this one separating hot and cool, and this one itself has the patent. All right, and this one also, very special. The movement. All right, and it blocks the heat and cool beside.
Okay.
All right.
So it blocks the exchange between heat and cool,
Exactly.
right? Heating and cooling.
Yeah, and you see the very reinforced hinge here. You see the movement is beautiful.
It's very smooth.
Yeah,
Yes.
it resists the fatigue strength for a long time, long cycle. Okay, so we put the tray here. This is typical 40 trays.
Okay, 40
40
trays.
person.
So it's 40
yeah,
patients,
40
right?
patients, yeah. And it has special function, like we have taking out function. The tray holder, we call it tray cassette.
Oh, okay. So we can utilize the space even more efficient, right? So
Yeah. So
That's
he will show
amazing.
how to extract
Okay.
as a whole cassette.
All right.
All right. So it helps the clean inside totally.
Oh yes,
All
it can maintain the clean condition. Wow.
You can take it all.
Okay.
And after taking out, you can spray by air gun
All right.
or
It's
water
really
spray.
easy to maintain.
Exactly.
Oh, hygiene purpose, right?
Okay. Now let's move
Very
to
impressive.
the screen itself and integrated management system, so-called IMS, also has the patents.
Okay.
Okay.
So since we have the Korean mode, but do you have the English mode as well? Or?
Of course.
Okay.
We can switch to the
All
English.
right. It's really easy interface that even me or some other operator who is a beginner can even pressing button and easily make it operation.
Yeah, and it can be operated manually like this, front, the forward and the reverse.
Oh.
And let's move to the brand new one.
Okay, let's
the
go.
youngest brother of our Happy Cart.
It's
Okay.
very cute, by the way.
Yeah, and look the color.
Yeah, look at the
Lamborghini
color.
yellow, we say.
Yes.
So it's very beautiful.
Yes.
All right. And this one, actually, here it is equipped with the conventional, the meal series here, but as you see, you can customize.
There are many applications, right?
Yeah. You can customize inside for the linen and medicine and yeah.
And the fluid, yeah.
All right.
Wow.
So we have very strong engineering department. So we can customize to satisfy all the requirements from the customer. All right. I'll show you how to operate.
Okay.
So just imagine here's the kitchen.
Okay,
all right?
we are at the kitchen. Yes.
Yeah, and the food are ready.
Yes, food are ready.
And loaded all the trays
Yes.
inside. All right.
All food are loaded.
And start. So in this morning, I worked with this guy just few minutes.
Few minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
to be able to decide the point. So this starting point, all right.
Okay.
The end point is there, and it will move through the waypoint. For example, point A, B, and C.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can determine the routes from the system in inner system, right?
You can determine the
Okay,
route.
okay.
Okay. So if you need, you can let him go all around this floor.
Oh, okay. According to just design the routes, right?
Exactly.
Oh,
and
that's
you can point out
amazing.
the points where at your
Here
purpose.
we have innovation technology we're watching.
Yeah, I think this is piece of history in the milk cart industry,
Wow. It's
not
beautiful.
only in Korea as well as abroad.
So, do you think you have? If I'm a hospital person, is there
Okay.
any requirement that needs some space or any conditions that this hospital needs to install your
Alright.
system?
It's a good point to be able to operate this kind of the guy, for example. So okay, I'll stop him,
Yeah.
and then just in case, I can change the manual mode.
Okay.
All right, and then I can operate manually. All right,
Okay.
and then
There's a camera inside.
yeah,
Yes.
so you can see,
See
the front and,
I see.
yeah, behind, and we've got the depth camera, 4 depth cameras, and then 2 3D LiDAR sensors here.
Sensors.
Yeah, and 4 2D sensors here.
2D sensors. Okay.
Yeah, so to operate this kind of the autonomous the mobile robot, we need some specification as
Yes,
you asked.
that's what I
so
want.
yeah, the width of the elevator and the width of corridor and the basic the curve require this guy to move.
Move around.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
correct.
let's change again the AMR mode, and it will be moving. And if you're approaching, it will be stopped.
Yes, yes.
And will be
It
moving
just senses the people's movement. So
Yeah.
when somebody
Very
or
safe.
some obstacle stand by in front, then it automatically stops the motion. That's very smart.
again. Okay. Thank you.
So thank you
that's it.
very much for the detailed explanation. It was really impressive, and I hope you're successful.
Okay,
business.
I'm Aaron Park, and if you need the detailed specification when you build a new hospital, or you increase the buildings in your hospital, please contact me. Then I'll show you how to design very initial stage. Thank you.
Yes, please contact
감사합니다.
Aaron. Thank you very much,
Thank
Aaron.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. 고맙습니다. 네.